سلام كبرات خاتلتي نايلو معالت أرسنا لك كمت فيديوز جلسنايو كمي لا إنجليشي معبلو ناتي زدك أمل المستيرات ني إنجليشي نخ معبلو بفلابس كان رز حجزني حدا ناي beginner level لو كلاي intermediate ما كلاي درجة ما تيسال سايكا كم دلايك زرب كم دخلن حسابات كلس كم دخلن زخا application كاب جوجل داونلود جبركوا gemini زبهاليو إذا application زي قبل على توصلكم جن كتزاربوا انتولي إنجليش أبزخونا علمكنكم إذا application زي أوريكم حد حدو كتزاربوا خم تقولوا اتناتكم زاربا أخا لك كم سب كم قولكم كم زلو كتزاربوكم يو كعلكم يو تزي سميعكم كأني سمعكم دقوم ليك بلوكم زخل أزيو حاجاز دخونا بفلاي إنجليش كتزاربون كتمولكوا انتريليو إنجليش كتمولكوا انتريليو دخونكم إذا أبليكيشن زي أخطوروا لكم لك كم سب كزاربوكم خليو لو معل زي أبليكيشن زي أوريال لكم أنا خابزك أمل حنت أبليكيشن زي بفلاي كزارب ترى لي أبقى زغونة كزارب واتي عند حركوينه براكتيس قبل لا أبليكيشن براكتيس كتقول لانك تلامود لانك أضحك زوجكم يعني إذا أبليكيشن زي gemini يتبهل لك كم سبك علومي كزارب تخاطاتولو. Hi, can you ask me simple questions in English so I can practice speaking?
Sure thing. What did you get up to today? Did you do anything fun or interesting?
Yes, so I woke up in the morning and I went to work, same old work, but I had a long day to be honest. How about you? How was your day?
Oh, that sounds like a busy day. Well, I spent my day chatting with lots of interesting people, just like you. It's been pretty great so far. Do you have any plans for this evening? Anything fun to look forward to after work?
Well, yeah, but I had a question for you. So, I want us to have a conversation, like two friends meeting, and I want you to help me speak English better, correct my pronunciation, grammar, just to help me do better, especially in my speaking capabilities in English. So let's start. I want you to ask me questions.
What to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies or activities that you enjoy?
Look at Yes, I like to play football. What about you? Would you like
That's
to play?
Awesome. Do you play on a team or just for fun?
I play for fun, but I enjoy playing football. What do you think is something I can play that will bring me money? Like make a video and record it, like in a football match. How should I do that?
That's a fun idea. You could definitely record some of your football games and create highlight reels. You could add music, slow motion replays, and maybe even some commentary to make them more engaging. Have you ever edited videos before?
Yes, I have. I use CapCut for editing my videos. Do you have any recommendations for me?
CapCut is a great option. It's user-friendly and has lots of features for adding effects and transitions. You could also explore other editing software like Adobe Premiere Rush or Filmora to see if they offer anything extra you might like. Do you have a YouTube channel or social media page where you plan to share your football videos?
Yes, but that will be a topic for another day. Now I'd like to move on and ask you another question. Is that okay?
Of course. What's your question?
Can you help me describe my day in English?
Sure. Tell me about your day, and I'll help you describe it in English. What did you get up to?
So I want to say I had a beautiful day and I was happy. But I don't want to sound casual. I want you to help me improve that. What should I say that sounds better?
You could say, I had a wonderful day and I'm feeling great. Or, it was a truly beautiful day and I'm very happy. Would you like me to give you more options?
Yes, but not too much. Just simple.
Sure, here's another one. I had a really lovely day and I'm quite happy. How does that sound?
That sounds good. Thank you so much. Can we move on to our next question that I have?
Absolutely. What's your next question?
I want you to teach me 5 useful English sentences for everyday use. Explain them clearly so I can use them or repeat them.
Okay, here are 5 useful English sentences for everyday use. What's up? This is a casual way to ask someone how they are doing or what's new in their life. You can use it when you bump into a friend on the street or start a conversation with someone you know. How's it going? This is another informal way to ask someone how they are doing. It's similar to how are you, but a bit more relaxed. You might use this when greeting a coworker in the morning or catching up with a friend over coffee. What do you mean? Use this when you don't understand something someone has said and need them to explain it further. It's polite and direct. For example, if someone gives you instructions that are unclear, you could say, "What do you mean? Could you explain that again? I'm looking forward to it." This expresses your excitement or anticipation for something that's going to happen. You could use it when talking about an upcoming event,
Okay.
like a party or a
Yes, that's good. Now that's
Okay, I have a fun question for you.
Wait.
If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, Where would you go and what would you do there?
That's good. There's so many questions you asked me, so I'm not going to answer your questions. I want to ask you a question. Is that okay?
Of course. Fire away.
Good. Now, I want us to practice English grammars with examples. Simple grammar with examples. And if I need to, I will ask you to explain it. So, give me your answers.
Okay, let's start with subject-verb agreement. Can you give me an example using the verb to be in the present tense?
I want to be a huge, influential YouTuber someday. How does that sound?
That sounds great. You used want correctly, but want to be is the more common phrase. Also, huge and influential are good adjectives.
Okay, that's good. How about a second one? What else would you like to ask me so I can improve my English better?
Okay, here's another one. I am going to the store later. What does this sentence tell us?
That you are going to the store later, maybe to buy something? Is that it?
That's right. It tells us about a future action. We use going to talk about plans. Do you have any plans for later today?
Okay, that's fine. Now I have another question which I think is important to me. Can you listen?
I'm all ears. What's your question?
Okay, can we role play a real life situation like ordering food or asking for directions? I want to order food. Let's begin with that first.
Sure thing. What kind of food are you in the mood for?
I want a pizza.
Great choice. What kind of toppings would you like on your pizza?
I don't mind cheese. I don't mind chicken. That's about it. I don't want too much.
Okay, so a chicken and cheese pizza is... What size would you like, small, medium, or large?
I'll do medium for now.
And what about drinks? We have soda, juice, and water.
I prefer water.
Okay, one medium chicken and cheese pizza and a water. Is there anything else I can get you?
Thank you. That's all that I want for now.
Great. So that's one medium chicken and cheese pizza and a water. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm taking it home.
Okay, your total is $18.75. How would you like to pay?
That's very expensive. How come?
I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Your total is $12.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay in cash.
Okay, cash it is. Please come again.
Good, thank you. Now, I want us to speak as though I'm asking for directions. So let's speak about directions. I want to go somewhere. I want us to role play this. Ask me questions so I can guide myself for directions. Let's talk. You go first.
Sure. Where are you trying to go?
I'm trying to go to Canada.
Okay, to get to Canada, you'll need to figure out which airport you're flying to and from. Do you know which airport you're leaving from?
Entebbe Airport, Kampala?
Okay, you're flying from Entebbe International Airport in Kampala. To get to Canada, you'll likely have a layover in a major European or Middle Eastern city. Have you already booked your ticket, or are you still looking for flights?
Well, thank you about that flight situation. I just wanted to demonstrate, so thank you for the questions. I have one last question if you don't mind me skipping.
No problem. What's your last question?
So I want you to give me a simple English topic that we can talk about today that would help me improve my English.
Okay, how about we talk about your favorite hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
You asked me that question already. Can we talk about something else?
Okay, let's talk about your favorite movies or TV shows. What have you been watching lately?
Been watching a lot of YouTube videos.
That's cool. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers, and what kind of videos do you enjoy watching?
Well, most of the YouTubers that I watch, they're not here. They're maybe in Uganda, Ethiopia, some of them in Canada. Yeah, they teach about how to make money, how to improve yourself, and so many other things. Do you have any suggestions that I should watch to improve my English though? That's what I'm more interested in.
Okay, if you want to improve your English, you could check out channels like English Class 101 Inches or BBC Learning English. They have tons of videos for learners at all levels. Would you like some more recommendations?
Thank you for this conversation. I really appreciate it. Do I have your consent to post this video?
I'm glad you enjoyed our conversation. I'm not able to give consent for posting videos.
حرايكم برات قاتلتي إذا سمعكم على مس جيميناي يونيرو حسر عبيلة خمسة عليكم እዚ ዝገበርክዎ ዓይነት ስታይል ልክዕ ሰብ እንተ ኣብ ጎንኻ ዘየለ ከም መዕለሊ ትጥቀመሉ ሓደን ክልተን ተዕልል ደለካ ሓሳባት ትገልጸሉ ልክዕ ከም ሰብ ኮይኑ ከዘራርበካ ዝኽእል እዩ ኣዝዩ ቁልጡፍ ንእንግሊሽካ ክሕግዝ ዝኽእል ከማዕብል ዝኽእል እዩ ብፍላይ ኣብ ዝኾነ ሰብ ኣብ ጎንኻ ትረኽበሉ ትኽእል እዚ መንገዲ እዚ ኣዝዩ ሓጋዝ ዝኾነ ተጠቒምኩም ክትምዕብሉ እዚ ቋንቋ እንተ ሓጊዝኩም ኣብ ኮመንት ርእይቶ ክትጽሕፉ ብትሕቲ ናይ ሓትት I hope እዚ ክጠቕመኩም ንኹልኹም ኣነ ሓደ ካብ ዝጥቀመሉ ምስጢራት እዩ ብጣዕሚ ድሕግዘኒ ንዓይ ዝኾነ ሓሳብ ተለኒ ዋላውን ዝኾነ ክልተ ተጻራሪ ሓሳባት ተለኒ ክልቲኡ ሓሳባት የደቕርቦ ሽዑ ኣዋሂዳት በኒ ሓሳባት ከም ካልኣይ ኦፒኒየን ይጥቀመሉ ማለት እዩ ምሳይ ጽንሐኩም ኣዝየ ደመስኩነኩም I hope ሓጊዝኩም ክኾኑ ኣብ ቀጻሊ ብከምዚ ዓይነት መደብ ክሳብ ንረኸብ ዝወልሓንኩም